So I'm going to do a flip through just to show you dishing up devotions and recipes for a sweet child, both of which are written by Katie J. Trent. So I'll start with this one and just give you a few little things inside of it. You should definitely buy it. It is on Amazon. Run and get it. Starting with dishing up devotions, table of contents, you see what we are studying each week. Patience, you'll do a resurrection cake, a 3-day cake. You got passionate, humble, risk taker, adamant, leader, pure pumpkin pie cake. And she does say down here that there are gluten-free. Most recipes offer conventional options. So there's that. Don't forget that. Acknowledgments. So set apart. Let's just look at the first one. Start off with scripture. Then you have your devotion. Then you go into your prayer, affirmation for the day, family activity, bacon buddies. Then you have your recipe. So you're starting with set apart peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, and it is gluten-free. There's your ingredients and your directions and notes and tips. And then you move on to the next one. Dishing up devotions. Definitely worth it.